Imagine facing a fine so large it threatens your business's survival. Non-compliance isn't just about penalties, it's about risking your company's reputation and future. Let's explore the hidden costs of ignoring regulations. Beyond financial penalties, non-compliance can tarnish your brand's reputation. Customers lose trust, and rebuilding that trust can be more costly than the actual fine itself. Understanding these risks is crucial for every business. GDPR isn't just an EU concern. If you handle EU citizens' data, you're affected. Non-compliance can lead to fines up to 20 million euros or 4% of your annual turnover. It's about protecting data and privacy rights. GDPR emphasizes transparency and accountability. It's not just about avoiding fines, it's about respecting individuals' rights and building trust with your customers globally. Also, GDPR is an overlay regulation that is on top of country-level regulations of a similar nature. Some countries include criminal sanctions in addition to hefty fines. The CCPA is a game changer for businesses dealing with California residents. It's like GDPR, but in California. It mandates transparency in data collection and usage. Non-compliance can lead to hefty penalties and further sanctions. CCPA focuses on consumer rights, ensuring they know how their data is used. It's about empowering consumers and holding businesses accountable for data transparency. CMMC is crucial for companies working with the US Department of Defense. Non-compliance can mean losing contracts, revenue, and possible criminal sanctions. It's about meeting cybersecurity standards across the supply chain. Ensuring compliance with CMMC isn't just about avoiding penalties, it's about securing sensitive information and maintaining trust with the Department of Defense and in the best interest of US national security. Arrakis Consulting specializes in regulatory, privacy, and cybersecurity compliance. With over 25 years of experience, we offer tailored solutions to meet your company's specific needs, and we work in all regulatory environments. Our team is dedicated to helping you navigate complex regulations. We help ensure your business remains compliant, secure, and trusted by your customers. Hear from businesses that avoided penalties with our guidance. We've improved their compliance and security posture, providing them with peace of mind and a competitive edge. Our clients experience the confidence of knowing they're protected. With Arrakis Consulting, they focus on growth, not penalties. Don't wait for a penalty to take action. By partnering with us, you'll reduce risks and safeguard your business's future. Together, we can navigate the complexities of compliance and build a resilient organization. Let's recap. Non-compliance can lead to severe penalties and reputation damage. Understanding GDPR, CCPA, and CMMC is crucial. Arrakis Consulting is here to help you navigate these challenges. Take action today. Secure your business with expert guidance from Arrakis Consulting. Let's build a compliant and secure future together. Contact Arrakis Consulting at sales@arrakisconsulting.com or visit www.arrakisconsulting.com.